Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is video tour of Eco Villa 2. Eco Villa 2 is right adjacent to Eco Villa 1, which many of you have really appreciated and liked very much. So this property is available for sale now. It's a corner property, almost similar to Eco Villa 1. The only difference is this is a corner building, two-side wide 30 feet tar road is there. This is southern portion, 40 feet wide. And from western portion this is the gate. Landscaping is there in 3-level landscaping is there. Ground floor, first floor as well as terrace floor. Very unique design. Pillar based architecturally designed house. 2-car parking, multiple 2-wheeler parking. Ground floor, this is additional storeroom. Gas cylinder enclosure. And there is Kaveri water, large 12,000 liter sump. This is one room and bathroom, guest room, home office, anything as per your requirement you can use this. Totally 4 bedroom, additional storeroom and 4 bathrooms in the property. The main house starts from the first floor, second floor, third floor. It's a triplex designed split level architecture. East facing main door, video door phone by Panasonic. And as you know, Eco Villa 1, this also is a fully furnished deal. Everything what you see in the video is part of the deal. Artifacts, decorative items, furniture, everything is included. Very unique design, custom made. So much of variety of materials have been used in this property. So that's a video door phone by Panasonic. Large windows, complete natural ventilation throughout this property. That was foyer area, and this is the main hall. Beautiful sofa set. It's all branded furniture. Once you visit the site, I will tell you the brands and various particular items which have been used. Large atrium in the center. This is the main highlight of the house. Also the tree, Japanese fern tree right in the center of the house. And this is the second garden in the balcony. Large glass windows. There is also landscaping to the side space towards the road with this security mesh. Flooring is Nexon, Italian anti-skid Nexon flooring. And this is the beautiful Japanese fern. Sunken slab is given. Lightweight cocoa peat and soil has been used. Natural skylight coming right in the center of the house. And as I told, there is a connected family home. All the 3 bedroom windows open to the living room. This is dining table and chairs included. There is sitting space. Leather finished granite has been used in many places, including this partition wall separating the living and kitchen. 2 side there is sitting space, and this is puja room. East facing main door. This is for refrigerator. And as per Vastu, in the southeast corner, this is a modular kitchen. It's a fully Italian kitchen. Chimney is part of the deal. Bed, cot, sofa set, dining table, furniture, it's all included. So this is a fully modular kitchen. All soft closing. Gas cylinder provision is there in the parking floor with an enclosure. Inbuilt chimney. Glossy laminates outside, inside matte finish colored laminates. It's an independent building, not like a row house. Own structure, own foundation and walls, and good ventilation. This is utility space. Wet kitchen. Dry and wet kitchen separate. Lots of storage space. So this was first floor. We'll go to the next floor now. It's a split level design. So 4 steps split is given in every slab. In the foyer area you saw that 4 steps, and again this floor you have 4 steps separating the one room with the other room. So this is first bedroom, the main house, fully furnished with decor fabrics and pepper fry furniture, wardrobes, study table, lots of windows, all the artifacts, decorative items included. And this door is sliding door with one of the largest tower bolts possible in the residential units. High quality interior work. And this window opens to the living room. It's almost same as Eco Villa 1. Eco Villa 1 got sold long back, so this Eco Villa 2 is available. Many people were asking for particular video, actual video of this house. So this is the video, this is the available house. So make yourself free for site visit if you want to finalize this property. This is the common bathroom, all geysers included, solar water heater also included, branded bathroom fittings, Jaguar Italian collection, also Grohe and Duravit has been used in few places. This is the central bridge connecting 2 rooms with a sitting sofa. And this is the second bedroom. Ceiling level wardrobes with sliding door, acrylic and lacquered glass has been used. And this is the second bedroom, again fully furnished. Attached bathroom is there. LED backlit mirror. This is the second bathroom. Totally property has 3 attached bathrooms, 1 common bathroom. – 2,850 square feet of super built up area. Ground, first, second, and this is the third floor. Third floor has this sitting space along with balcony leading to the terrace, and there is last bedroom to the end. So this is the balcony area, another landscaped mini garden. There is also ladder. It was raining at the time of this shooting, so you can go back to Eco Villa 1 if you want to see the terrace. It is identical. So this is the central bridge. You can see this whole living room from here and all the windows. And this is the last bedroom. Overall 4th room or 3rd bedroom in this main house with attached bathroom. Again full body mirror here to the left side. Large mirror. Acrylic laminates have been used here for this wardrobe, for this high glossy limit. And this is the bedroom. Side table and side lamps, night lamps. Property itself is a corner property, south and west facing, Main door east facing. Land area measures 20 by 40, 800 square feet. So this is the bathroom. Feather touch switch within the mirror. So this was Ecovilla 2. Please go through the description for complete details. Property has Kaveri water, BBMP Khata. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.